Hello everyone and Merry Christmas! This is a Christmas demo video that I'm going to do for Pink Paper Peppermints. And today I am actually going to use the treat sack bags and make this little book. And I cut all of them out, but I wanted to leave one to cut out with you because I wanted to show you. So these are the treat sack bags. It looks a little different because I double-sided it, but then decided not to because I could see the other lines through it. So I wanted to show you that. This is just because my paper, this is 20-pound paper, and I did not like how it went through. So I decided not to do it this way. But I did want to show you that. But we're going to make this little book. And what you need is 4 of these treat sack envelopes. You don't need the treat... Here, this one. You can use this one if you want, but for my little book, I'm not using this. So we cut out 6 of these. And I cut out red, 3 red, and I cut out 2 green, and I'm going to cut out this green with you because I wanted to show you something that's going to make it easier, and I just realized it. So I measured these, and these treat sack bags are 3 by 4. It's the same size as a Happy Planner Micro, which is my Christmas book, but it's not completely done. So I'm not going to show that right now. So, but this book can fit in anywhere. And so I also figured this, if you line it up to the very tab, this is actually 1/2. And I have a scoreboard. This is the We Are Memory Keepers all-in-one tool. Or it's called the Works, but it's an all-in-one tool, so it has a scoreboard and a cutting mat. And I like it for this thing. But I'm going to end up getting another scoreboard that's 12 by 12. So this one, you line the pocket up, and you score at 1/2. And it scores it perfectly at 1/2. And then you turn it. And I meant to cut that, but we'll cut it in a second. And we score at 1/2. And then I cut. And then this side's already cut because I needed something to cut. And then 1/2. And you've got your pockets. And then we're going to recut this side. It is a little hard to see where to cut, but it has a little line here on the cutter too, so that helps. And then we cut the sides off. I'm going to cut these off, and I'm going to see if I can do it like this. And this one. And this one. And then I need to do this one. This one's a little awkward, but it's still... And you may notice I did not cut the top. So this top is a little jagged, and I found that these Fiskars scrapbook scissors, the stamp edge is perfect. And I had to show this. And we do this. And look at that little cute little edge. I love it. And I did it all on all my edges. So we've got that. And then we're going to fold these. Sorry for the loud noise there. And then all we do, because I already scored these. I scored these at 1/2. And it might overlap just a little bit on the corner. It will be fine. Okay. So let's get these all out of the way. I don't need my cutter anymore because I already pre-cut everything. So I will show you. I will put all of the measurements that I used in the description as well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and then 3 of these. I don't know why these are here, but that's okay. So, and then you're going to want to print any color because there's also the pages that go along with the treat bags, the treat sack bags. I love these. I love this pattern too. And you're going to want to print whatever color you want, just like this. And this is how mine prints. Mine prints with the border. I have no idea if I don't think my printer will actually print with no border. So I didn't. I cut all this out and I cut these out. And these I cut to, is it 3? Yeah. Oh no, 4 by 6. 4 by 6. And you fold it in half. And you need 2 of them. Okay. So we're going to start with that. And then I also have this piece. So I think I just had some left over. Yeah, I had some left over. And I cut this to 1 1/4 by 4. And what we're going to do is I like to use, this is, I believe this is art glitter glue. It might be barely art glue. They're both the same. They're just, there's no glitter in them either. They're just wet glue. And what you're going to do is you're going to glue here. You don't want to go too close to this edge. So we're going to take some glue and glue it. I hope you can see that. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. And we're going to glue this like this. And we're going to glue one side. You want to make sure it opens like that. And we're going to glue it to here. And I made sure that it fit. It might be a little big, but that's okay. You just want to make sure you get it there. So you've got that. And then you've got this other flap. And we're going to put some glue on this flap. And because this pattern is the same up and down, it doesn't really matter which, like if it goes this way or this way. So, and then we're going to glue on this side. Try to get it even so your book is going to be, I don't even know. Yeah, this is a treat sack mini book, is what it is. And there's that. Now you've got, see, in my book, I don't even remember what I did with my other book. I originally did washi tape here. And you can do washi tape. I found some Christmas washi tape. But I decided that would be, and you can cut that off, but I'm just going to leave it. And then what you do, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This book, I left it blank here, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to do it all. So you've got your little pockets and you've got them scored and folded. You're going to put glue here, here, and here. So we're going to do that. And it's just so quick when you have it in a little bottle. I love how easy it is like that. And then you're going to glue it. You can do any color. I love this red and green. So I'm doing red and green. And you want to make sure that it's on that edge. And you don't want to go, you want to leave just a tiny, like a millimeter there so you can fold it in good. So there's the first one. And then I'm going to do green on the next one. I love the red and green for Christmas. I don't know what it is about red and green. And here's that. Sorry if I bumped the camera. And then we're going to put this on this side. You want to make sure, though, that the bottom, that your top edge is on the top. Because you're going to fill these with whatever you want. I don't even know what I'm going to fill mine with yet. So there's 2. And then you could leave these blank. And you could put, you know what, I might leave that blank. We're going to leave that blank for a minute. And since I did red and green here, I'm going to do green and red on this side. So I said green and red? Yeah. Green. We're going to put green here. And line that up. Push it down. You got that. And then red. Oops. See how quick it is just to have a little bottle of glue? You could use tape too. I just like the glue because it does dry. Tape, double-sided tape doesn't really dry. But for this purpose, it's not going to matter because you're putting stuff inside the sacks. So And actually, I kind of like that better. I was going to do 2 more pockets here, but, and actually, you know what? You could also do 2 pockets on the outside and have stuff there. So I'm going to leave it. We've got a brown front, and you could cover it up. I don't have anything prepared to cover it up, but you could also take one of the other, like I've got extra, and you could cover it here. So you don't have this edge here. And then you could also take one of the other bags, so you could have that there too. But we've got brown front, and then I did red and green. And then I was going to put pockets here, but I think I might just decorate it here. And I will post the decorated one. And now this kind of got off the edge a little bit, but that's okay because you can't really tell on there on the book. And then you've got the green and the red. And you've got a little treat sack mini book. And you can put stuff in here, in here. And honestly, if you wanted to, you could make another one. I don't have another one to actually, I could show you with this one. So what you could do is you could tape it together or make another spine and tape it together. And this would be a great Advent project. You could put little Bible verses in it and tell the story of Jesus' birth. And because this one can hold 6, but I'm holding it 4. So there's your treat sack little mini bag. I keep saying mini bag. Treat sack mini book. And it's all Christmassy. And then you can decorate it. And then it's got the little frayed edges with the... And I'll see if I can link these too. But it's the stamp, if that will load. It's the stamp scissors, and it's just like that. So, and that's it. So I will, hopefully, I will catch you all later. If I don't if I don't talk to you before, I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and enjoy making your little mini book. One more thing, if you make your little mini book, tag me in it. I am Lindsay's Crafty Plans on Instagram, and and if you're on the Creative Calling, tag me in there too, so I can see that how you made it. So I will catch you all later. Bye.